Alright guys, welcome back to Fastback Life. Back to working on the charger one more time. I'm in the garage, so by myself. I figured out what I'm going to work on next. I'm going to work on taking out the accelerator pedal and then hopefully the brake mechanism in there. I don't know how it's going to work out because the booster is still sitting there. I don't know if I have to do anything to that. I'm kind of hoping that once I unbolt it from this side, hopefully something will happen. I don't know. But there was a bolt on the booster right here. There's like a little clamp that goes all the way around it. Maybe I have to take that off. I really don't know yet. I can go around to the other side. I thought there would be more bolts on the outer side that would get me to get this thing off, and it doesn't look like it. It really doesn't. I don't see nothing else there. So maybe that clamp has to come off. I don't know. But I'm gonna work on the accelerator pedal, the brakes. So I guess let's get to it. Should be pretty simple. I think the accelerator pedal only has like 2 bolts. I don't know if you can see it right there. 1 on 2. I think that's what's holding them on. So if I get my stuff set up here. Alright, let's see what happens here. Come on. Yeah. Alright, doesn't want to come off. Oh, there we go. It's a lot of years of crud on them. That'll happen. So there we go. All right, let's see if this one comes out easy. Oh, there we go. Pretty good. I gotta remember to save those. I'm ultimately gonna want to put them back on the studs because I don't want to lose the nuts and stuff I've got. I left the 3 nuts from the AC unit, the heater box. I gotta throw those back on before I forget, because I will forget if I don't. So let's go inside here. Oh, let's see if the light on my camera works. So look at that. So we're gonna go in here, and I've actually got the light from my thing here too. I think that's it. Look at that. Oh, sweet. Pretty simple. Like I said, those 2 bolts were there. And then the cable, that would go to your throttle body for your carburetor or whatever. But obviously that's not hooked up because that's not in there. So pretty simple stuff. But yeah, that's out. I'm excited about that. Insulation is still kind of buttoned up in there. I'm not quite sure how that comes out. But on to the next thing. I don't know if you can see, but I got a bolt here, and then there's 2 on the top. And you can kind of see them in there somewhere. Hopefully, 1 at least. So I'm going to take care of those, and we'll see how that goes. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got 1 out. It went pretty well. I don't know how well the other ones are going to go, but I guess we'll find out. Let's see what happens when I set you guys up here. Oh, yeah. We'll see what happens here. Oh, I'm still a little sore. Sitting on this metal here. There we go. Let's get some light in here. All right. There we go. There we go. Bottom ones are out. I just don't know if I'll be able to get to the top ones. I guess I could kind of move you over here. See what I'm kind of you might be able to see what I'm dealing with here. No way. Well, that worked out a little bit better than I was anticipating. Let's turn on the camera light here. Let's see if I can take you up in there and show you. Sitting right there. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out. Oh, here she be. Oh. All right, one more that I can't even see, so I don't technically know where it is. Still don't know how I'm gonna get my machine in there. And laying on the steel floor of this car feels fantastic. All right. Ooh. I've got an idea of where it's supposed to be, so I just can't see it. I think I can see it up in there a little bit. How am I gonna get in there? It can't be this easy. Everything I work on can't be easy. It's gotta be difficult. Oh. Oh. There's no way. There's no way that I was on it. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, that's off. Is it gonna be... I forgot, we got two right here. One, and there's one down. So I got one here, one here. That's still technically holding the, like the brake structure together, I guess. So I forgot all about that one. Oh, that nearly cut my finger off. Oh, I knew this was gonna happen. Oh, that really hurt. So. There she be. All right. So, stick you back here. I think you can see that last one. I can't see it, but I've got kind of an idea of where it is. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it. Nope. I can't even freaking see it. So, as soon as I figure that one out, I'll be right back. Alright, so I think I got it figured out. Let's take a crack at it. Alright, I got this. Alright, I'll get you set up. I'll have you guys set up just in case something happens. It falls on me or whatnot, but you know, nothing too crazy, I guess. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that from here. Coming from the back with just a regular wrench, half-inch wrench. I can find the nut again. Okay. Whoa. If only you could see what I'm dealing with. Alright, so maybe that wrench will stay there when I go to do it. Yeah, I think it did. All right, so that's there. She did drop down to the ground. All right, so I got that out of the way. Now just to maneuver myself on the floor, comfy floor. All right, let's get some of the tools out of the way. Let's find out what's going on here. I did see I'm guessing it's still connected to the booster. I think that's how it's going. Yeah. I guess the only thing to do is, I'm learning as we go here, so I'm guessing we're gonna try and hit that and see what happens. I mean, I really don't know. I mean, so I moved it a little bit. You see that? It's still in there. So if I hit this and get it off somehow, maybe this comes apart and we'll figure out what the hell we're dealing with. Because I mean, otherwise you have to go inside and you have to unbolt it from that shaft that's in there. Or maybe that's the way you're supposed to do it. I honestly have no clue yet. Learning as I go here. I guess it is a possibility of things we might have to do. If that's the case, maybe like one bolt would do that. I'm guessing that's going to be the only idea that I've got. So we'll crack open that booster and find out what happens. Alright guys, so here's what we got going on. We're unable to get that boot or that brake booster off. So we're inside the car and I got this nut right here. And I'm hoping that if I remove this, the whole linkage will come down and then that booster will kind of fall out the firewall. We'll see. So I've got that done. A couple washers on there. I got a screwdriver. There's another washer on there, but I can't get it off. And I got my trusty hammer. Hopefully she'll... Ooh. There's that. There's that. We'll take this all the way off. It's not going the way I thought it was going to go. Maybe there's something I'm not seeing. I'll find out what's going on. Alright, so I tried one more bolt here. There's one right on the pedal itself. Thinking if I push that out, that's probably not going to work either, because why would it? You know what I'm saying? So of course it's going to take some finessing to get it out, but why wouldn't it, you know? There we go. Okay. Am I done? Am I out? All right. So it is out. Couple bolts, and she's out. I can hear the kids playing in the background now. But yeah, that's what she be. I don't plan on getting rid of that. Pretty sure I'm gonna need that for a while, but let's go take a look at that booster, see if it comes out. That was one hell of a workout there. Let's see if that booster comes out. There she be. So, booster is out. Tons of fun. Gas pedal's out. Brake pedal's out. I've got tools to put away and clean up. But they're both out. Just getting closer and closer to bringing it somewhere to get worked on. I also had an opportunity to buy a 6.2 liter block, like a Hellcat block. Still debating whether or not I do that. If I do, I've got an interesting story to tell you. But that's probably going to be later down the road. Anyways, we're done. It's out. I got to clean up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button, subscribe. Let me know what you think. You know, I'm learning. Maybe you're learning too. Maybe you already know how to do it. Who cares? No big deal. I'm learning. So like I said, thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.